Okay, here's my aloe. And I like to turn it this way and peel it. Peel off the stickers. Take the other side and peel off the other stickers. And see the center? That's the gel. You can cut off the tip if you like. And then just peel it. I like to peel it on the flat side, not the curved. Okay. Now, this is how I scrape it. You hold the leaf, press against the side with the sharp knife. That's really sharp, see? And then it slides down the side, see? Now, I had a whole bowl like this when I started before. And you don't keep the big leaves in. You just keep the gel. See how the gel comes on out? Toss this aside. You get another piece. Now, I like to also cut it out like this too. See how that jelly cuts out? Cut it out. Cut as much as you can in big old pieces. Then stick it back around the side of the metal bowl like this. And just press down and scrape, see? Press and scrape. See how much is coming? Then you flip your leaf onto the other side. And you just keep doing this. Kind of monotonous work. But, see all the reward? Okay, so now I'll add this into the pot that I'm already cooking with the shea butter, the grandma's secret. This is some of the secrets. Now, aloe is also used in the black soap that you get from if you want to buy the black soap. Yeah, it's real soft with the aloe vera. All right, peace out. This is a Cali Griot telling you how to make aloe vera from scratch.